Alright, I know it's not a car, but just got this snazzy washer dryer combo. And I don't know, I gotta share it. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, I haven't messed with any buttons on it or anything. This thing is pretty snazzy. It's got the holder for your washing liquid, detergent, whatever you want to call it. 50 ounces, that's pretty cool. Automatic, you know, softener as well. Can also do the powder. It's pretty sweet. I don't know about the pods. I don't think you can do the pods, but you can put it in manually and everything as well. Alright, so haven't ran it yet. I haven't even turned it on, so I know you can like hook this up with Wi-Fi and everything, but probably just gonna start by turning it on, I guess. Welcome. Oh, look at that. It's going to say it in a bunch of different languages. Oh, only English, Spanish, and French. Screw everybody else, right? Watch this video before your first load. Uh-oh. Should probably do that real quick. All right. We're gonna go back here.
GE Profile UltraFast Combo. This all-in-one wash and dry solution will take care of a large load of laundry in about 2 hours. Your combo will enhance the way you experience laundry by learning your load patterns, fabric types, and habits. You may notice that total cycle times will adjust during a cycle and vary based on load size, fabric type, and your selected options. Extra large loads, like a king-size comforter, may take slightly longer, whereas a smaller load of activewear may be shorter. At the end of the cycle, certain items and the air inside may feel slightly humid due to the airtight seal. Simply remove the items, giving them a quick shake, and they will feel dry in seconds. A more dry option is also available to suit your preferences. To help prevent over-drying, your UltraFast Combo uses sensors, lower temperatures, and high airflow for maximum care of all your laundry. Because your UltraFast Combo is gentler on clothes, less lint generated.
That's enough. I don't understand why we needed to watch that, but whatever. Let's get back to this thing. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Ultra fast combo. I guess we're just resetting everything. Oh, no. We completed that video. Smart HQ. Let's set it up. Why not? Alright. Connect the Smart HQ app to scan download. Alright, I'll be downloading that, and then I'll show you that. Alright, well, apparently their site is down, so I guess we'll just do the remind me. So, let's see here. We got some dirty clothes here. Just toss those all up in there. And just some random stuff. All right. Boom. Got some clothes in there. Let's see. And then we will go to... Can we do that? No? What's going on here? Whoa. Okay. So we're just gonna do normal. Wow, look at that. Oh, smart dispense. We're gonna do auto, softener. Oh, auto. There we go. Oh wow. Extra rinse, more water. I think we're gonna be fine like that. What's this one do? We don't need that, do we? No, I think that just makes it to where it doesn't dry. Alright. I guess we will, what's that one? Oh, look at that. Extra hot, hot. We're going to do warm. Oh, wow, you can even adjust that. Just leave medium, soil level, heavy. I didn't realize it had all this in it. Normal. Alright, looks like set up good enough to me. Until, you know, get the app hooked up. It was not working. I guess they're doing updates on their site. Alright. So it locks it right away. Kind of sounds like an ice maker. Well, I'm going to kick this back on when it's actually washing. I'm not sure what it's doing right now. Oh, that's what it's doing. It's sensing the load. What it's sensing, I don't know. It's really not that loud. It's kind of quiet. Alright, we'll let it do that. It just kicked on. So, as you noticed, it said 2:11. So 2 hours and 11 minutes. Now it's an hour 51. I don't think that's too bad. I believe that's wash and dry time. Oh, well, obviously. But, looks like it's actually doing some stuff now. It's really not too loud. For the most part, the noise right now is just the water going through it. So I guess we'll just let it do its thing, and then we'll flip it back on once it's done. So we got the more dry too. It said it had that dampness when you pull it out and you shake it. So, I mean, we'll see what that feels like. You know, how damp it is. And then, you know, I'll have to do the more dry maybe later to see what that does as well. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Alright, see you when this is done. Okay, so something I didn't notice as it's going. The blue started depleting all the way, and then, you know, now it's gonna start working on the pink or red or whatever you want to call it. Looks like pink to me. And then yeah, it'll be done in 55 minutes, and then we'll see what that shake damp thing is. I don't know. Alright, it just ended, played a little music and shut off. So that was kind of cool. Took a while for it to cool down. All right, let's see what these feel like. Oh, I see what they mean by a little damp. Yeah, they ain't bad at all. People were like complaining online that it's like wet. It's like barely damp at all. I wouldn't even say that was damp. It's dry. And then you can, make it more. Yeah, that's perfect. It ain't wet. I wouldn't even worry about that. Like, I mean, I guess you could say it was damp, but it's like if you shot a blanket with some fine mist real quick and, that goes away fast. Anyway, that's the new machine. So, I guess I'll use it for a few months and then I'll do another video on it. Just, see what long-term impressions are. But as of right now, I'm pretty impressed. I like it. You don't gotta, change the load. You don't have to fill the fluid up, rarely. And it just goes. It's amazing. And it saves so much room. Alright, thanks for watching my non-car video. Take it easy. Peace.